Hello viewer, we are going to use the boxes here, and each box will have different gradient in it. I will stretch there into it. So let's make a design. There we are, a structure there, and also make a design. We will have to make it. Now we will click over it. So that's it.